Namaste all, welcome back to GyanVeda channel. Today's video we will talk about top 3 ELSS mutual funds and question is, can your ELSS fund match these returns? Please mention in the comment box what you think about it. And these are not just the tax saving funds, there is much more in these funds than just tax saving. What are the risk and return factors associated with these funds? Watch till the end so you will get answers of all your questions. This video is part of our study and analysis does not mean any recommendation and the statistics I have taken as 30th of September 2021. When we talk about ELSS funds, our channel has many videos on tax saving options like PPF, Sukanya Samruddhi Yojana, ELSS schemes. Already these videos are there. If you want, you can take a look. ELSS are mostly the equity funds where we have a lock-in period of 3 years and this will help us to save tax amount up to 46,800 rupees when you invest amount up to 1,50,000 in a financial year. Allocation of ELSS funds. So minimum equity investment will be 65% and this will be flexible investment. That means you can have large cap allocation, mid cap allocation and small cap allocation. So this is merely a fund manager's decision how he will change this allocation time to time to maintain the profitability. So in fact, you will get advantage of flexi cap funds. So if you do not want to invest in ELSS funds, you have separate video on our channel for flexi cap funds. Please have a look. What are the filtering criteria we have used to find you the best funds? So we have considered 1 year return, 2 years returns, 3 year returns, 5 years, 10 years returns, SIP performance as well as technical factors based on last 3 years performance of these funds. Each ELSS funds will follow one index as a benchmark. So if they are following NSE specific indexes, there are three indexes: Nifty 50, Nifty 200 and Nifty 500. Similarly, BSE specific mutual funds will have BSE 100, BSE 200 and BSE 500. So please be aware of which index your fund is trying to outperform. There are close to 40 funds in the market in ELSS category. Few are having 30 plus thousand crores in the AUM and few have just 40 to 50 crores in their AUM amount. Before we proceed to find the best funds for you, doesn't mean that past performance will reflect in the future. There is no such guarantee in these funds. So from these 40 funds, we have found few funds relatively stronger like Axis, then Baroda ELSS, BNP Paribas, BOI AXA, Canara Robeco, DSP, Franklin India, ICICI Prudential, IDFC, JM, Kotak, Mirae Asset, Motilal Oswal, Quant and UTI. These funds we found much stable than their peers. Anyone visited the channel for the first time, request you to please subscribe, like, share with your friends, press bell icon so you will get notifications for our new videos. Many people do not have patience to scroll to the complete video and get the answer and understand the logic. So for them, we will give the answer. Third number goes to Mirae Asset Tax Saver Fund, second number goes to BOI Exa Tax Advantage Fund and first on Quant Tax Plan. What are the criteria we used to find this one? How did we conclude these names and why these funds only? So we'll try to find these answers in the next part of this video. In last 1 year, Nifty 50 has given close to 38% returns and our top 3 funds definitely have outperformed the index. Here if you have seen the chart, Quant Tax Plan definitely gave double return than the Nifty 50 index. After that IDXA Tax Advantage, then Franklin India, DSP and so on. Now we have shown you the 3 year returns also these funds. So here also Quant Tax Plan is leading here. Second is going to BOI AXA, then Mirae Asset, then Canara Robeco, DSP Tax. Now let's see the 5 year performance of this one. These funds have definitely outperformed the Nifty 50 index in 5 years as well. So here if we see the chart rank, Quant Tax Plan is one. Now the Mirae Asset is coming to the second position. BOI AXA is in third position. After that Canara Robeco, Axis. When we compare to 10 years performance. 10 years means the fund has gone through different cycles of the business economy, and this has helped to moderate the risk factor. So here if you see, Axis has consistently given you very good returns for last 10 years. Then Quant, then DSP, IDFC, BOI, AXA. But lump sum investment does not alone work well, because most of the investors in India tend to invest in SIP mode, because this will give us an advantage of cost of averaging. So here if we have seen, Quantex plan has again come to the first position, then BOI, AXA, Mere Asset. If you want, pause this video and you can see how much you would have earned at the end of 5th year when your investment is 1000 per month. So 60,000 is investment and close to 1,40,000 is outcome for Quantex plan in 5 years. Expense ratio is another important factor. If the expense ratio is clearly very high, it will try to eat up your profit portion. So here Mirasit is looking with the minimum expense ratio in both direct as well as a regular plan. Then Quantex plan, then Kotak, Motilal, these are considered as very good funds in the market. What should be the investment strategy if you are going for ELSS funds? First, consider that these are part of your portfolio. Portfolio is built based on the risk ability as well as your financial goal. SIP is always a good mode in the equity fund investment. Do not just try to invest in last 2 to 3 months in the financial year. Try to take advantage of cost of averaging with SIP. You can check such videos also on the channel. Diversification is another tool where you can minimize the risk. Taxation you should consider when you try to redeem these ELSS funds, because redemption is not tax exempt. Also, you can rebalance your portfolio time to time based on the performance of your mutual funds. There are so many videos already available on our channel. GyanVeda has many such videos on investment, mutual funds, stocks, IPO, insurance, income tax, and so many things. So please subscribe, like, share with your friends, press bell icon so you will get notifications. If you have any suggestions, questions, or any specific video you need on the investment topics, please put in the comment box. We'll try to come up with an answer definitely. Till then, happy investing. Thanks for watching. Dhanyavad.